Hello viewers. In this video, I will be teaching how to change background color of any image using Photoshop. So, let's start. First, open your image into Photoshop. Now, select the Quick Selection tool. You can use any selection tool of your choice. Now, start selecting the subject. Make sure that the selection is very precise. Don't forget to deselect these small white areas. Now, click on the Refine Edge button and refine all the edges. Once the subject is selected, then right-click and click on Select Inverse option. Now, add a solid color layer. Select any color of your choice and then click OK. Still the shadow is not visible here. So now, go to blending modes, and select multiply. Now the shadow and other details are visible. To change the color, simply double-click on color layer and choose any color of your choice. We are done here. Let's have a look at final output. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such tutorials.